Hi, this is Barry here, and you are very welcome back to day 2 of the 5 days to reignite your belief. Now, today I want to talk about something that I touched on yesterday, and that is that your work is working, even when it looks like it's not. You know, as I said yesterday, roots, seeds grow underground, and sometimes we don't see that. And when we don't see the roots, we don't see the seeds growing, we assume it's not working. But visible results don't always show the whole story. You know, if we imagine a house, the strongest part of the house is the foundation. You know, we see all the layers, all the floors that were built up on top of it. But that's not the strongest part of the house. It's the foundation. And yet, you think that the house is only what's visible above the ground, forgetting the part that's below it, the foundation. It's almost assuming that like a ship that's kind of out in the sea, that the top half we see over the water is really all the ship that there is. But you and I know that there is at least another half below the water of that ship. And that's going to be like your business. Not all of your business is going to be seen. And unfortunately, it's not like we can build the foundation and build the building at the same time. The foundation has to be built first. And the foundation is always going to be hidden. But unfortunately, we have kind of, as I said yesterday on social media, we see all the end result. We see all the stuff that's above the ground, and we, cheer on that. But we don't realize all the stuff that went on underneath the ground. We don't see the months of content, that was put into place before the little shoot broke out of the ground. We don't see the trust, the resilience, and everything that was built up over that time. And really, all the compound growth that we have, it always starts invisible first. We never see the visible part of it until a later point. And what we need to do in this moment right now, when our work doesn't look like it's working, is that we need to keep showing up for the people who are already here. It'd be very easy for me just not to bother recording this video today because I said to myself, well, there's only 10 people going to watch it. So what's the point? Well, if you've got that attitude that you're not going to show up when only a few people are going to show up, do you really think suddenly you're going to become this other person that's going to show up when hundreds, thousands, tens of thousands of people appear? No, you're not. You're not going to be able to flip that switch. What you need to do is you need to become that person right now when the people aren't there, so that when the people do show up, you're going to be ready for them and you're actually going to be a better version of them. So the greatest superpower you can have right now is creating content, showing up when there's no applause. Do you ever notice, and this was something that I heard somebody saying one day, is that our heroes, the people that we celebrate, they're the ones that get all the applause. But really at that point, they're probably at the end of the journey. They've had the success, and they don't actually need that applause because they already have all the success. It's the earlier version of them. It's the person that was writing when no one was paying attention to them, when nobody was buying their books. It was that early YouTuber who was creating the videos that, again, got no views. Maybe had a handful of people show up. So never forget the journey that someone is on, that there is a lot of time you're going to be working in the dark, working unknown, working when no one cares what you do, or if you even put in the work. And if you can be the type of person who can do the work when nobody cares, when no one is paying attention to you, that is a superpower. And that's great resilience to have. Because it means that in the future that you can still show up whether people like your work or not, whether people are cheering you on or not, because you are believing in yourself, that what you're doing is important, regardless of what anyone else is doing. And that's a hell of a superpower. If you imagine someone right now on social media that got their audience handed to them overnight, imagine that audience was taken off them in one go. Suddenly the rug was pulled out from under them, on the back at square one. Now, if that person isn't the type of person who did that journey to get there, of building that audience slowly over time, when that rug is pulled out for them, that person who hasn't put the work in is just devastated. They don't know what to do. Whereas the person who, in the long term, build that audience slowly up over time, knows that what they need to do to get back there again. And they will probably get back there a lot faster because they are already the type of person who has that superpower of showing up when no one is applauding them. So just remember that today, even though the work doesn't seem like it's working, even when it works like no one is paying attention to you, it is working. You are building the foundation. Those seeds that you're laying every day are going to take growth. And it's building you as well as whatever you're building. It's making you stronger. It's making you more resilient. So that when you do have the success in the future, if it is ever taken off you at any point, you will be able to get back up on the horse really quickly and get back to that end result really quickly, because you're the type of person who was right to have that result. I remember the great Jim Rohn saying one time that everybody should aim to be a millionaire, not for the money, but for the type of person they will need to become to earn that money. So give that some thought today, and I'll see you tomorrow on day 3.